Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So here I'm doing the window winder, and this one's broken. It's got a broken handle, but sometimes you have to change them because they've either got the broken handle, they just seize up. So we're using a flathead screwdriver to undo them because I can't use a Phillips head or even an impact driver to undo it because it will just slip. So just using a bit of pressure with the flathead screwdriver, and we're able to undo those screws. So we've done the ones on the main winder, and now we're doing them on the window, and they're a bit tough, but we got that off eventually. So here's the new window winder with all its bits and bobs there. So it comes with the screws and all that you need. And so I'm just marking it off. I'm making the winder central to the window, and you can use where the last or the previous one was also. And I'm just using a 4mm drill bit just to use a pilot hole so that the screws can go in easily and not break the timber or snap off. So now I put the screws in 3/4 way and just leave 1/4 of it just sticking out so that we can latch on the window winder chain. So now that that's done, we can just clip it on loosely, and we can just wind it in and adjust it accordingly so that it is actually flush with that window jamb. Now I'm just removing any debris and dust to make sure it closes properly, and then we mark it out here with the drill bit that we're just doing a little pilot hole and marking out each point, and then we're removing that and drilling down further so that the screw has something to embed into. So there's the left side, the right side we're doing. That will help with the screw to go in smoothly. So now we're using Phillips head, so use a Phillips head bit, and we're screwing the screws in on the right side. And you can see that I just line it up with the hole that we've just done, the pilot hole, so that makes it easier. And easier to adjust the window winder as well. So then we just pull it back and make sure that it's all lined up with the jamb, and that the window's nice and closed tightly, and then we screw it in with the window winder secured to the timber firmly. So now that all that's done, the clips that we put on with the chain there, we can secure that properly. So we're just doing that now and securing that properly to the window. So there you go, DIY. If this is something that you want to tackle yourself, then check the link below and you can pick up the materials, the window winder, and everything you need for the job. So thanks for watching.